How to text like a pro in English. For advanced English learners and professionals, mastering the art of texting can enhance clarity, professionalism, and effectiveness in communication. Here's how you can text like a pro in English, with examples to illustrate key points. 1. Use proper grammar and punctuation. While texting is often seen as informal, maintaining proper grammar and punctuation is crucial, especially in professional contexts. It demonstrates attention to detail and respect for the recipient. Example: informal, "Hey, can you send me the report?" Professional, "Hi, can you send me the report?" 2. Be clear and concise. Clarity and conciseness are vital in texting. Get straight to the point to ensure your message is understood without unnecessary back and forth. Example: unclear, "I was thinking that maybe you could, if you have time, send over that document I mentioned last week." Clear, "Could you please send the document we discussed last week?" 3. Use appropriate salutations and closings. Starting with a proper greeting and ending with a courteous closing can make your text more professional and respectful. Example: greeting, "Hi John." Closing, "Thank you, Jane." 4. Employ texting abbreviations sparingly. While abbreviations like "you" for "you" or "BRB" for "be right back" are common in casual texting, they should be used sparingly in professional communication to maintain clarity and professionalism. Example: informal, "I'll get back to you ASAP." Professional, "I will get back to you as soon as possible." 5. Proofread before sending. Always review your text for any typos or errors before hitting send. This ensures your message is polished and professional. Example: before proofreading, "I will get back to you with the info." After proofreading, "I will get back to you with the information." 6. Be mindful of tone. Texting can sometimes convey unintended tones. Use positive language and, when necessary, emojis to ensure your tone is friendly and clear. Example: neutral tone, "Let's discuss this later." Positive tone, "Let's discuss this later." 7. Respond promptly. Timely responses show professionalism and respect for the other person's time. Even if you cannot provide a full response immediately, acknowledge the message. Example: immediate response, "Got your message." "I'll review and get back to you shortly." When texting on platforms that allow it, use formatting tools like bullet points, bold, or italics to highlight important information. Example: plain text, "Please bring the following items: laptop, charger, notebook." 8. Use formatting tools. Formatted text, "Please bring the following items: laptop, charger, notebook." 9. Avoid using all caps. Using all caps can come across as shouting. To emphasize a point, use italics or bold text instead. Example, all caps, please send the report. Emphasis, please asterisk send asterisk the report. 10. Respect privacy and confidentiality. Be cautious about sharing sensitive or confidential information over text. If necessary, use secure communication channels. Example, casual, I'll text you the login details. Professional, for security reasons, I'll email you the login details. Examples in context, professional scenario, text. Hi Sarah, could you please send the client presentation by 3 p.m. today? Thanks, Mike. Explanation, this message is clear, polite, and includes a specific request with a deadline. Networking scenario, text. Hi Tom, it was great meeting you at the conference yesterday. Looking forward to connecting soon. Best, Lisa. Explanation, this text is friendly, acknowledges the meeting, and expresses a desire to stay connected. Project update, text. Hi team, we've made great progress on the project. Next steps include finalizing the report by Friday. Let's meet tomorrow at 2 p.m. to discuss. Best, Alex. Explanation, this text provides an update, outlines the next steps, and schedules a meeting, maintaining a positive and professional tone.